Are you charging over MSRP with the current market?
That's a good question, Nick. He asked it on YouTube too. So
Okay.
let's talk about MSRP a little bit. On a new boat,
Sure.
let's talk about new boats specifically. You've got your MSRP. That's set. That is going to be online. You can build the boat, see it online, even though that a lot of boats are still showing 2021 model year, but that's a different story. Your MSRP set. It's not set by MarineMax. It's set by the manufacturer. That's what it stands for. Manufacturer suggested retail price. But MarineMax operates off of what's called a one price structure. So they're gonna cut out all that negotiating, all that going back and forth. We as salespeople, if me and Scott, if you came to me and you said, "Hey Nick, I want to buy this boat. I don't care how much it costs," we literally are not allowed to sell you a boat at MSRP. It's not what MarineMax was founded on. They were founded on a one price principle. We go back to that transparency again. You can go around, ask other people at the Getaways and stuff. It's how we operate, and it creates good business too. You know, we put on a lot of good events. You know, we put a lot of owners rendezvous, a lot of Getaways and stuff like that. How would that make us look if we were all hanging out on a rendezvous? Customers talk, you know, these are pretty tight-knit groups, and somebody says, "Yeah, I bought this boat for, $90,000. Whoa, I bought this boat from Scott for $120,000. What's going on here? MSRP." We don't want that. That's not how that works. So that's a great question, because I've heard about it in the car industry, Nick, and a lot of the car pages I follow, they have been doing that, especially with hot models. Like, I think that there's a lot of jokes going around about like the Kia Telluride right now going for over MSRP. That's not going to happen with boats. Now, with that being said, you have that demand. We're not going to charge MSRP. We're not going to charge over MSRP. But what you see orders get placed. You see them get backlogged. People will wait 5 months, but we're not going to price gouge or anything. We're just going to keep taking those orders, and unfortunately, they keep getting backed up. But whether you bought the boat, a year ago, whether you bought it now, we're not charging over MSRP, and we list the MSRP on every single sales agreement too.